Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a made-up saree. First, understand that a made-up saree simplifies the traditional draping process, making it accessible for everyone. These sarees come with pre-stitched pleats and a preset pallu, which means less fuss and more elegance. You can achieve a beautiful, polished look in just a few minutes, perfect for busy schedules or special occasions. Let's get started with the basic steps. Before you begin, make sure your petticoat and blouse are well fitted, as this forms the foundation of your look. Next, step into the pre-stitched skirt part of your made-up saree. It's designed to fit like a wraparound skirt. Gently adjust the waistband to sit comfortably and securely around your natural waist. This ensures the saree drapes smoothly and stays in place throughout the day or evening. Now, let's focus on the pallu, which is often the most striking part. Take the pre-pleated pallu and bring it over your left shoulder, letting it fall gracefully. You can adjust the length to achieve your preferred style, whether it's a shorter, more modern look or a longer, traditional drape. Once you're happy with the placement, use a safety pin to securely attach the pallu to your blouse, ensuring it stays put. With the main draping complete, take a moment to smooth out any wrinkles or creases, ensuring a flawless and elegant appearance. A quick check in the mirror will help you spot any areas needing minor adjustments. Finally, enhance your look with your favorite accessories, such as a statement necklace or earrings. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your beautifully draped made-up saree.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.